Hello and welcome back. In this course, we are going to learn about code Java. Now, before starting to write programs in Java, we need to set up our system, or in other words, we need to make our system ready so that we can work with Java. In order to write, compile, and run Java programs, we need to do the following. First of all, we have to download and install JDK, and secondly, we have to download and install Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE. The full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. In this course, we are going to use Eclipse to write and run Java programs. So we can say Eclipse is a software tool which is used to develop Java programs. We'll discuss about it in detail in the upcoming lecture. So for now, let us focus on the first point, which is to download and install JDK. So obviously, the first question here is, what is JDK? Now, the full form of JDK is Java Development Kit. And if we have to define JDK, then we can say the Java Development Kit is a software development environment that provides a collection of tools and libraries necessary or required for developing Java applications. We can further say the JDK includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java programming language and running on the Java platform. In short, we can say JDK is a software which provides an environment for developing Java programs. Now, if we talk about JDK components, then it has many components. To check that out, what we can do, we can go to Google, okay, and then search for the term JDK. Here we have to go to the Java Development Kit page of Wikipedia. This is the one. So let us open this. So here we can see that this JDK contains, these are the different components of JDK. So you can see so many components are there, like Applet Viewer, Java, Java-C, Java-Dog, Jar, and all other components. But we need not to know about everything. So what I have done, I have prepared a diagram where I have mentioned only the important components which we need to know. So let us open the diagram. So see, this is the diagram. So here, the outermost red rectangle, we can consider this as JDK. And inside that red rectangle, we have few smaller rectangles, and we can consider these smaller rectangles as the different components of JDK. Now, out of all these components, the two important components, one is Java-C compiler and the other one is JRE. The full form of JRE is Java Runtime Environment. Now, as the name suggests, it provides the environment for running Java programs, and it includes JVM and some other tools. The full form of JVM is Java Virtual Machine. Now, what is Java-C compiler and what does it do, and what is JVM and what are its responsibilities, that we are going to discuss in detail in the upcoming lecture. So here I wanted to give a brief idea about JDK in this lecture, and we are almost done. So now let's go back to the PPT. Okay, just a minute. So we can say that JDK consists of JRE, compiler, debugger, and some other tools, and JRE consists of JVM and some other tools. Okay, so now before ending this lecture, I would like to mention about one thing. If we only want to run Java programs, then installing JRE is enough. We need not to download and install JDK. But obviously, in this course, we are going to write, compile, and run Java programs. So we have to download and install JDK. And we are going to do that in the next lecture. So see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this. Till then, take care. Bye for now.